Hello guys, this motherboard have iPhone 6 motherboard. It's a short and already repaired by someone others. So let's try to fix and trace the shortage. Today I show you one cool gadget, thermal imaging cam. It's detect how to shortage. Okay, just to see here I plug the cable. Okay, it's also giving beep. Okay, see my supply going to beep. Okay, see I reduce the voltage. See like this 2.0 like something. Okay, when I put this okay, now see the magic. I keep there motherboard. Okay, show here it's a thermal imaging cam. Okay, see I make dark because when this portion is short it's get white. Okay, see I press the power button. Make little bit zoom. See this, here is a shortage. I press button, this app go to short. It's mean this point is short. Okay, it's a cool gadget. So see, only in 1 minute I remove this capacitor. Okay, and check the supply is short or no short. Little bit also short, so I remove other capacitors. It's VDD capacitor for light IC positive. So I make 4 voltage. See, okay, now it's short. Here is shortage finish, but now check now shortage where is. So see, reduce the voltage and check. Also here make little bit dark to find the shortage. See the PMD IC is getting hot, so here is no shortage finish. Now PMD IC is short, so check which capacitor is short. We will remove. Here is 2 capacitor melted and connect with each other because someone already repaired this phone. See here 2 capacitors are connected to each other. Maybe that is a cause it's getting short. Now check it's short. Clear. Definitely have little bit problem. Check here all capacitors because it's a main power supply. Now check again on now mobile is done. Only the cause is mobile that time heated, and now we check the phone.
Hello.
ايوه شو بكره بعد بكره ان شاء الله بكره بعد بكره. Okay, see, the mobile is working. Okay, okay. So it's a cool gadget. You must need, if you want to trace shortage, you must need this imaging cam. Okay, thanks for watching.